Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Knowledge. Today we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete newbie, this video will give you the basics to start your real estate journey. So let's get started. Section 1. Why invest in real estate? Real estate is one of the most reliable and proven ways to build wealth. It offers multiple benefits, including potential appreciation, cash flow, tax advantages, and a hedge against inflation. Unlike stocks, real estate is a tangible asset you can see and touch, which makes it a more stable investment for many. Section 2. Types of real estate investments. There are several types of real estate investments you can explore. 1. Residential real estate. This includes single-family homes, condos, and apartments. It's a popular choice for beginners because it's relatively straightforward. 2. Commercial real estate. This covers office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties. While the entry cost is higher, the potential returns can be significant. 3. Rental properties. This involves buying properties to rent them out. The rental income can provide a steady cash flow, making it an attractive option for many investors. 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you can invest in REITs, which are companies that own, operate, or finance real estate. Section 3. How to get started. Now let's talk about how to get started. 1. Educate yourself. Before diving in, make sure to educate yourself. Read books, take courses, and watch videos like this one to understand the basics. 2. Set your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with real estate investing. Are you looking for cash flow, long-term appreciation, or something else? 3. Secure financing. Figure out how you'll finance your investment. This could be through a mortgage, private lenders, or even partnerships. 4. Research the market. Look for properties in locations with strong growth potential. Pay attention to market trends, job growth, and local amenities. Start small. If you're new, consider starting with a smaller property or even a REIT to get a feel for the market. 6. Build a team. Assembling a team of professionals, real estate agents, lawyers, contractors, and property managers can make your journey smoother. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Even seasoned investors make mistakes. Here are a few to avoid. 1. Over-leveraging. Be cautious about taking on too much debt. 2. Skipping due diligence. Always research the property thoroughly before buying. 3. Ignoring market trends. Stay updated on market trends and economic conditions. 4. Underestimating costs. Account for all expenses, including maintenance, taxes, and insurance. 5. Emotional investing. Keep emotions out of your investment decisions. Always focus on the numbers. Section 5. Final tips and wrap-up. To wrap it up, real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth, but it requires careful planning and a solid understanding of the market. Start small, keep learning, and stay patient. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more tips and insights. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy investing.